brand of death. This is our place. One hyena said, "Be it little lions who come here." The hyenas laughed at Simba, and Nala were scared. They ran away fast, but the three hyenas ran after them, and they were faster. Suddenly, Mufasa was there. The hyena turned and ran from the Lion King. Mufasa later that night, he did not want his father to be angry with him. Mufasa pointed to the night sky. Simba looked up at the stars. He said, "The great Lion King of the past look down on us from up there. Those kings are always going to be there for you." Simba into a deep valley. "Wait here," he said. "You're going to get a surprise." Scarlet and Simba waited for the surprise. He was excited. Suddenly, he heard a sound with hundreds and hundreds of feet. Was this the surprise? Simba looked around. There were hundreds of rabbits running to the valley.